time travel. This one starts as most improv scenes do, establishing the who, the what, and the where. The thing is, the host at any time shouts out a different time period. 5 minutes ago, 100 years in the future, 25 years ago. And the characters have to instantly time warp, start a new scene, but this new scene is connected in some way to the initial one. Now, other characters can come in if they have an idea and start a new scene. Again, still connected to the original idea. Let's take off with this one.
I'm glad I came up with this idea. Drawing is such a stress relief.
Yeah, and not living in debt is an even better stress relief.
I sold the car, downsized to a studio. We'll have this debt paid off in no time.
180, 190, 200, you did it, we did it, woo!
Cruising down the Autobahn in our new Bugatti. Happy anniversary, hon.
Thank goodness you got that promotion.
You're fired.
Happy 25th anniversary, hon.
I remember when I got you crayons for our anniversary.
Right after you got promoted to CEO, then fired for embezzling without even telling me.
Despite all that, you stayed with me for 25 years. The boy lies, cheats, still lives at home. You marry him, I'll grant you parole 20 years early.
You got a deal, Warden. Dad.